Salaries paid. Salaries paid. Is salary an asset, expenses, capital, liability, income, provision, and so on? So, under which of these categories can we classify salaries? Of course, salaries is an expenses. Salary is an expenses. Expenses. So, what is the entry to make? The proper entry to make is debit. Debit assets and expenses. So, we debit it. The next one is advertising. Advertising. What is an advertising? An advertising simply is an expenses rather. It is the money you incur. Don't forget that expenses simply means the money you incur on running the activities of the business. So advertising is also an expenses. So and the entry to make for an expenses is what? Is debit. It's an expenses and we have to debit it. What about sales revenue? Sales revenue. Is sales revenue an asset? Is it an expenses? Is it a capital? Is it a liability, income, or provision? Of course, sales revenue can never be an expenses. It is never a capital because capital is the amount of money that you invest in a business. Is it a liability? Liability simply means the amount of money you are owing that the business owe rather. Is it an income? Yes. Sales revenue is an income. It's an income. Why is it an income? Why do I know that it is an income? What is sales revenue? What is an income? Sales revenue is the amount of money that you realize from the sales made on particular good. For instance, now you sell 10 pair of shoes and each of those shoes cost 10,000 naira, and on every shoes you have sold, you will realize 100,000 naira. The 100,000 that you have realized is what we call sales revenue. And don't forget that I told you initially that an income simply means the money you earn. So that makes it an income. No, as an income now, what entry are we to make for an income? Don't forget, we are to debit assets and expenses, and we credit capital, liability, income, and provision. So definitely, we are going to credit income.